Welcome to our updated tutorial on how to send a GIF on Telegram using your Android device. Adding a touch of creativity and expression to your messages is now easier than ever with these simple steps. To begin, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the chat where you wish to send a GIF. Within the chat, look for the GIF icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon may include options for GIFs, stickers, and emojis. Tap on this icon to access the GIF selection. Select the GIF option from the menu that appears. This will open up a variety of animated GIFs for you to choose from. Browse through the available GIFs and find one that resonates with the message you want to convey. Once you've selected the perfect GIF, simply tap on it to send it in the chat. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily share animated GIFs on Telegram, enhancing your communication with friends, family, or groups. Inject personality and humor into your conversations by incorporating GIFs that reflect your mood or style. Elevate your messaging experience and engage with others in a more visual and dynamic way through the use of GIFs.